Alright, I'm making mashed sweet potatoes for dinner tonight. So what I have here, I have 6 of those sweet potatoes, any sizes that you want here. Large, medium, or small. So I have 5 or 6 larges, and I got only one of those medium because this is gonna be a good one for it. I rinsed the sweet potatoes with some lukewarm water into the colander, and I scrub it in. And then when I'm going to do that, I'm going to peel it, and then I'm going to chop it up. Alright, I finished all of those 6 of those sweet potatoes. What I'm going to do that, I'm going to chop that into each size of those bite-sized chunks. Alright, I'm finished chopping up. What I'm going to do that, I'm going to submerge with some fresh lukewarm water so it can make it clean. Okay, sweet potatoes has submerged inside the lukewarm water. Got the water is going to be boiled. I have to use hot water because the hot water is going to make it faster. So when the water comes to a boil, as you can see, it might be ready. And then we're going to do that, we're going to salt the water. Like that. Alright, ready to throw in some sweet potatoes. Okay, be careful. Then I'm going to stir that up, and we're going to cover it. You get that one spoon, I'll be back. Okay, just going to stir it up with the wooden spoon, just like that. So I stir this up with this wooden spoon for the sweet potatoes into the boiling water that just salt the water, and then we're going to do that. We're going to cover it for just about 10 or 20 minutes, and then it's going to be nice and tender. Alright, the sweet potatoes almost done for that, probably for 15 minutes. And then what I'm going to do, we're going to drain it with the excess water, and then we're going to set this aside. Alright, sweet potatoes done, nice and tender, and then we're going to prepare to make for with butter and milk. So on medium-high heat, so I put 1 cup of whole milk and 8 tablespoons, which is a stick of unsalted butter. I'm going to stir it up until the butter is going to melt it into the hot milk. So, and then I'm going to mash it up while I'm waiting for it. So I poured the butter and the milk that I heated up on high heat that I mashed up with the sweet potatoes, and then I'm going to season up with some salt and black pepper according to taste. We're almost done for that. If you like, you can also season with some garlic powder, onion powder, whatever you want to season with. Or you can use dry basil leaves, parsley, even Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to be almost ready to plate it up. And here you are. You have it finished for mashed sweet potatoes. Enjoy.